Hello and welcome to Mile High and Zion Foodtrucks. Today we have this beautiful 22 feet barbecue trailer. It's actually an African barbecue trailer that we're shipping out today. Let's check out its many features. It's kind of noisy outside, so we're starting on the inside. Here we have a 10 feet hood, of course with fire suppression. 2 fryers, 40 pound each of them, and a fairly large range. The range has 6 burners and a 24-inch griddle and 2 ovens. That's just the box that the TV came in. I'll show you the TV later. This is a freezer, an under-counter freezer, worktop freezer, so they can do their cutting and other stuff here. A table, a service table that is. That's the service window, self-closing of course. As with every other trailer, inside the walls or truck, inside the walls is 1 inch of insulation, 9/16 inch of plywood, and the cooking wall is stainless. The other walls, they are FRP. Every single circuit is of course separately isolated with individual breakers. Lights for inside and outside. That's the switch for the fan itself. The AC remote. That's the AC with heat. 3 compartment sink, hand wash sink, soap and towel dispensers. All the plumbing is on the inside, right here. The grey water tank and the fresh water tank, of course. Pump, water heater. So of course, locks away. Little microwave over there. And that's the bottle for the fire suppression system. And twin refrigerators. The customer wanted a double door. This trailer is not tall enough for a double door refrigerator, so we got them 2 separate individual refrigerators. The floor is aluminum diamond plate. LED lights, of course. And the walls, as I mentioned, is FRP here. Stainless steel on this side. Let's go outside and see how the outside looks. On the outside of this trailer, of course, is the beautiful wrap, which is, of course, Cameroonian themed. On top is the big fan, which is I think 1650 CFM, with the little drip tray, catch tray on top so the grease doesn't run down the side of the trailer. The generator box, which houses the actual generator inside. The generator is of course on slides. Up front is the shore power inlet, the water inlet, grey water drain right there, and of course the 2 LP cases. On this side is of course the service window and the menu display, which is of course both of these are lockable and can be secured. This is the business end of the trailer, which is of course a charcoal grill, and that is inside a porch. It has a door to access the kitchen. Of course, there is a porch light as well as an outdoor rated electrical box in case they want to connect something else here. That brings us to the end of this tour. A beautiful 22 feet African food truck. If you have any questions, or if you would like a food truck built for yourself, get in touch with us through www.zionfoodtrucks.com or milehighfoodtrucks.com. Thank you and have a nice day.